Hello, I'm Tim Clank at MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center here in Elkhart, Indiana. And today we've got a Crescendo by Gulfstream that we're not only replacing the entire roof from inside and out with a brand new laminated roof produced in our lamination factory, as well as an invincible roof that if this was done on the roof, it would have never been bad. It would have never delaminated. So on this, we're also doing a residential refrigerator installation, and we're doing a AquaGo system by Truma. That is a never-ending instant water heater system. And so when you turn on the AquaGo system, it physically has hot water to your faucets in about 5 seconds, and it never ends. That's what's unique. So you're going to save propane and you're going to save water because this is instant. So it does have a 1-liter mixing vessel in it, which is unique to the AquaGo system. And so anyways, here we go. This is a direct replacement with the Suburban boiler system, as well as the Atwood models as well. And one thing unique about this regarding draining, they do recommend draining a water heater, is you physically will shut off your water pump on the inside of the coach, turn on your hot water faucet at the sink to bleed off the pressure. Then very simply, you just lift up this lever here, and then when you pull this down, it actually pulls out the drain on the bottom, therefore giving a spout which drains the water away from the coach, unlike normal water heaters. So if you look at your standard boiler tank water heater, how it physically drains down the side of the coach if there's an issue, etc. This has also got a screen in it as well, and that is for filtration. And one unique thing with MasterTech is we are innovators of the industry, and therefore we have actually invented a drain for the AquaGo system. This has got a filter screen in the back, so as if you would winterize the coach and not have anything in and you had the coach in storage, your water, this would normally be put in. But what happens is somebody may come in and turn on the water pump inadvertently or hook up to city water pressure and it would put water back in the unit. So we have a continuous drain. It actually allows air to come into the tank as well. To install this, very simply, you just install it where your drain was and flip it up. Now you have a draining system that will always allow air to come into the actual mixing vessel and keep water from accumulating to the inside. So to replace it, you very simply just lift this up, pull that down, pull out your adapter, your drain, take your original drain, put that back in, just like that, and you're back to camping. So here with MasterTech, we do everything bumper to bumper, and we're here to service you today. So come see us if you need any help or assistance, mastertechrv.com, or check us out on our social media sites.